Welcome to question number 36, the final question from the August 2015 Geometry Regents exam. It's a pretty lengthy question. There's 3 parts to it, so let's get started right away. For the first part of the question, we're trying to find the volume of 100 candles. So the idea here is to first find the volume of the cone and simply multiply it by 100. So we are given some dimensions of this cone. We know it has a height of 8 and a diameter of 3. So the volume of a cone, the formula is 1/3 pi r squared h. So we'll be doing 1/3 times pi times our radius, which is 3 divided by 2, multiplied by our height, which is 8. So calculating that, we get 18.85 inches cubed. So that's the volume of 1 candle mold. Now, because there are, he's making 100, we're going to multiply that by 100 to get 1,885 inches. Inches cubed. All right, so we've got part 1 complete. Now for part 2, we're told that he goes to a hobby store to buy wax for his candles, and the wax costs 10 cents per ounce. We're also told that the weight of the wax is 0.52 ounces per cubic inch, and how much would it cost for Walter to buy the wax for 100 candles. So the first thing we want to do is take the volume of 100 candles and multiply it by 0.52 to find out the weight of 100 candles. So we're going to take 1885 multiplied by 0.52, which gets us a weight of 980.2 ounces. And so to find out how much it's going to cost, we just have to realize that the cost is 10 cents per ounce. So we have to multiply the number of ounces by 10 cents. So we'll take 980.2, multiply by 0.1, and that gets us a total price of $98.02. Great, part 2 is now complete. Now in the last part of the question, we're trying to find Walter's profit after selling 100 candles. So it's important to understand how to calculate profit. I like to think that profit is equal to the amount that you earn subtracted by the amount that you spent. So first let's figure out how much money he earned. So he sells 100 candles and he's charging $1.95 for each of them. So to find out how much he's earning, it's pretty straightforward. We're going to take $1.95 and multiply it by 100. And that means he earned $195. So now we need to subtract the amount that Walter spent on this investment. Well, there are a couple things he spent. One is $37.83 for the molds, so we'll have to subtract that away. But there's more. We need to remember that he's also spent money to buy the wax for the candles, right? That was the second part of the question. It was calculating how much money he's spending on the wax. And we calculated it to be $98.02. So we have to subtract that from his earnings as well. So this is the final equation to solve. His profit would be $195 minus $37.83 minus $98.02 to get a total profit of $59.15. All right, I hope that was helpful, and that's all for this video. Thanks for visiting JD's Regents Preparation.